I'm going to be showing you how to create a free hosting account without paying for it. How to create a free hosting account. That is why. And so one of my clients wanted to I need to design a website for a client which they have not yet bought their domain. They have at least I want to send them a demo of what I have done before they even buy their domain. So once they paid for domain, I can just I know I'm going to do that, clone the website and upload it to my file manager, blah blah blah. So that is why. So because of that, I said, okay, let me use this medium to create this video for those of you that have such challenges. For example, if you want to design a website for your client and you want them to know what you already want to do to them, you can just go and create a free hosting account, then get a free subdomain, then design a website, send it to them as a demo so that they can go through that, and once they pay, you're going to edit and do that. So that's why I'm doing this video. So I'm going to show you how you can create a free hosting account without paying for it. So number one thing is to head to your Chrome. This is the create face of a Chrome or any browser you are using. Just search for infinity free.com. I hope you can see what I'm showing you. Search for infinity free. Just search for infinityfree.com. You can see now it's displaying infinityfree.com. You see now. So one thing you have to know that on infinityfree.com, this is an hosting platform. You must know this video is not for those that doesn't understand website design. So it's for those that already have idea, but they have to create. You need an hosting account, to explore what they've learned. So number one thing is to register. You have to register an account with Infinity Free. So you head over to register. You see login. If you have a login before, you just log in, but now you don't have an account with them yet, so you just have to register. So click on this register button. Click on this register button. Just watch the video close to show how you can get. So you can see that sign up for Infinity Free. Sign up with Google. Sign up with GitHub. So now I don't want you to sign up with Google. Just sign up with your email account. Say email address. Put your email. Then put the password. I won't show my password, so say you should, it's generated the password, but choose your own. Choose the one that you will remember, not the one that they give to you. Just use the password that you can remember. So after you put password, confirm the password again. The same password you put there, the same password you use here, you put it here. So after that, you just click on this. I have read. You see something? I have read and agreed to the terms and service. You can decide to read that, but me, I don't have time. So just click on that and verify you are human. If this verification as human is not complete, there is no how you can create an account with this free hosting account. So click on it, ensure it is verified. If it is verified, it will show a green green stuff that's marked, that's success. So now you can now sign up. So after you sign up, you see the message. You can decide to save your password, so that next time you won't be looking for your password again. Just save it. But next time I used to save it. So now you see now, verify your email address. A verification link has been sent to Larry King Hotel 01. So this is the email account. If you are using a laptop, just head over to open the tab. Just tab, new tab. Use Gmail will appear here. Click on that and go to your Gmail. But if you are using a smartphone, just head over to your Gmail account. Get that. Click on that link and you will see a verify button that I verify. So it will show now. So you see now, Infinity Free, they have sent me an email for me to verify. So click on that. Verify email address, just to verify that you are the one initiating that registration. So now you said, hello, thank you for signing up. To be able to create your first hosting account, please click the button below to verify your email address. So now we say, if you did not sign up, no further action is required. Your email address will be deleted automatically after a few days. So if you are not the one initiating this registration, you can decide not to verify. So the verification is just to know, to should be sure that you are the one using the Gmail to register that account. So verify Gmail. So after you click on that, you don't have to come back to this place again. This is the dashboard you are using now. So just click. You can decide to delete it or leave it like that. So I'll delete that. So this is your hosting account now. this, you have successfully creating and hosting, not hosting the account, you have very successfully created an account with Infinity Free. So Infinity Free is a registrar that allows you to create a free hosting and free subdomain. Instead of it to go and buy hosting and domain, you can create this and use it, do the same thing you want to do, but it's just that you won't have HTTPS. The S will not be there. Your username is not secured because you are using a free hosting account. So now the first thing is your account. You don't have any account, no account yet, right? So active account 0 of 3, so you don't have any account there. So just go over to this plus icon here. You see it? Click on it. If you are using a smartphone, ensure you put your phone on desktop side. So now this is it. Now you see, now choose hosting plan. Infinity Free is sponsored by iFastNet, a provider of powerful low-cost web hosting. Are you looking for more features, more server, more power, personal support, and more? Then iFast is the service for you. So just leave that. Now just head over to starter, premium, super. So what this one will come here is because we want to have a free thing. So just see this Infinity Forever, $0. So click on create now. So you don't need to start looking around since that's not where you are here for. So just be patient for a while. Let the network. So yes, please verify you are human, right? Please verify you are human. So let's wait for the verification, because if it's not verified, it's stuck here. So you have to wait for the verification and pray that your network is okay. Because if you don't have a good network, you will be stuck. So let me verify. You will be stuck. No, success. So it is verified. So now you have successfully created an hosting account, right? You've created an hosting account. Now we have choose your domain. Choose your domain. You see what I'm saying? Use it. Choose your domain. Domain is your web address, right? Choose your domain. Please choose a free subdomain to set up your hosting account. You add more domains later and remove this domain if you want to change it. So now just put a subdomain to it. So what I want to use that, since I'm creating an hotel website, what I'm creating now, I'm creating a free hosting account for an hotel website. So I'll just look for the hotel name, Larry King Hotel. You know what I'm saying? Larry King Hotel. Understand? So you see, this is a subdomain. It is not a domain. This is why it's subdomain, because it's not a registered domain. So you have created a subdomain account, domain extension. This domain has to have an extension because it is not a paid domain. If it was to be a paid domain, you just add .com. But the extension is that you are sharing from my own share from this platform. So you have to add the extension to publicize, those that owns their website. So these are the extension that you have that is there. But most time I like to like Waze because it's very fast. So this is waze.com. This is the extension. So just check. You can add more domain after your account is set up. So you can add more later. But now this is Larry King Hotel .waze.com. So let's check availability, if the name is still available for use, and if it's not available, it will not display. So thank God the name is available. So website for Larry King Hotel. So the username, the website that they created now is now larrykinghotel.waze.com, right? So now head over to account username. This account, you don't need to bother yourself creating any account with this. You just this password. The password is them that generated this. So just leave those box. So you now come to this side, all over to this side. You see email consent. This email consent is very important in the sense that if you don't put email consent, there is not the registration will not proceed. You hear me? So the registration will not proceed. So that email consent is very important. You say email consent, that is to seek your consent that you are still the one initiating the registration. So please select. He said I approve, I disapprove. So I do not approve. So if you put I do not approve, the registration will cancel. So now I approve. Ensure you click on that email consent, I approve. So now you just head over. I said, is our supplier allowed to contact you about your hosting account? So you just leave that one. See this place now? See this place? Create account. Just click on it. Create an account. Yeah. So I can decide to save the password again because I don't want it to be. I don't want to waste my time. So just click that. This we are setting up your account. Let's fit the English that is there. For those of you that understand English very well. Account info, website login for larryking.waze is being set up, right? We are setting up your account. The username info has been assigned to it. Here are some things you need to know. it will take a few minutes for your account to be set up. It has been set up. So I now have an account. Wow. So I now have an account. So now you have already created a free hosting, a free website. You have created a free hosting, a free domain. So you have a free domain account now. So now you have to create this domain name. Is not yet a domain name. So if I want to tell you something, okay, let's visit the site. Let's see if anything will happen. Visit the site. Visit the site. Let's see if there's any surface there. Not secured. Welcome to Infinity Free. You can see that it's still Infinity Free because there was not, it's not yet. You can see now, this is what is, your domain is ready. So this is what it is showing, and you can see Infinity Free. It's not your website. So now you have started, you have also created a domain and hosting. So because you don't have a domain, you don't have an hosting account, you can't do the website. So now we are heading over now, and the software we're going to be using to create our website is WordPress. So now let's head over to creating. So you see now, so you need cPanel. Your cPanel is where you install all your software. That is where you have access to all your software. You see now, File Manager cPanel. So your cPanel is this. Just click on cPanel. So it will take you directly. It will redirect you to somewhere else. And ensure, don't forget that place. Click on cPanel. See what cPanel. So you see now, cPanel. To notify you to change your service account tester, blah blah blah. So just read the concept and ensure you put I approve. This is what we are here for, just to approve the registration. Just I approve, so that you can have access to the full back end of your web, of your cPanel. So this we are in cPanel now. We are in cPanel. Just wait for it to load. Wait for it to load. We are in cPanel now. cPanel now. Okay, so this is the free cPanel. If it was to be a paid website, you are going to see a lot of things on your cPanel. But this is a free website, domain and hosting. These are the few things you have access to because it is a free hosting. So one thing we want to need for now is that we need software for. If you come to wazzy.com now, this is how it still looks like. Larry King Hotel, blah, blah, this is how it still looks like. So now we want to install our software so we can start designing our website. So now what should we do now? Just click on Softaculous App Installer. Look for Softaculous App Installer. If you're using a smartphone, look for Softaculous App Installer. So just wait a bit. If the network is not good, 98%. Yeah, Softaculous App Installer. Do you know you can manage your WordPress installation from one place using the WordPress Manage feature? So these are top scripts. All this software you are seeing here, Jumia, Abante Card, PHP, BB, all the likes, just check them downwards. They are software to design websites. But the one we are using now is not all those ones except WordPress. So what are you going to do now? You are going to install your WordPress. You are installing your WordPress on your cPanel. So if anything happens to your WordPress front end now, like even the WordPress back end and front end itself, you come back to your cPanel to correct those mistakes, those errors. So your website will not be deleted like that. So what we do now is just this is the WordPress. WordPress is state of the art publishing platform with a focus on aesthetic website, web standard, and usability. So what should we do now? Is just click on install. So after you click on install, so this is HTTP. I'm not repeating this because I know this video is for web designers. It's for web designers. So I'm not training here everybody on HTTP again. So use a username, Larry King. Look for a username that you will not forget. Put the username there. So it's telling me I should show the password. So put your password. Ensure you use a stronger password that you cannot forget. So once you get the password done, just see now Larryking Academy. So this is the Gmail that is there. So after, ensure you create, because now I want you to understand this something now, that without the password you can't have access to the back end of your WordPress. You understand what I'm saying? So if you install it now, it will just give you access. That you see that this surface is still like this. I think I've left here. This surface, you see it? This is Calculus installer now. If this is where you install your WordPress, after you install WordPress finish, the password you are going to use to log into your WordPress, backend is this and the password. So if you forget this thing, you don't have a website yet. You have to still come back here and delete this and recreate it. So ensure you use a password that you can remember. You understand what I'm saying? So that is Calculus installer. So I'm trying to visit something. It's not. So see now, larryking.hotel.waze.com. This is what is displaying. It's still displaying the hosting software, the hosting website we used, Definitely Free. So something has to change now. I want us to perform the magic now. So now you've created the admin username, the admin password. You can say administrative password and username. So what should we do now? We just click install. Just install. Don't waste time. Install. You said checking. Let me save. Checking the submitted data. Wow, so everything has been successfully installed. So let me zoom this in so you can see it. So congratulations, the software was installed successfully. Like I said, WordPress is a software to design a website without writing a code. That is the reason why. So we don't want you to start stopping yourself. So the software now, WordPress, has been successfully installed. Now you can now create a website free of charge without even you pay for domain and hosting. So WordPress has been successfully installed at larryking.hotel.waze.com. You can see this is your front end user web address, your URL. This is where your visitors will visit. If you send to them, that is where they can have access to. Why this one is administrative? I know you understand what admin is all about. Admin is the administrative URL is your backend. That's where you, as a developer or designer, have access to do whatever you want to do. So whatever you put on the back is what is reflect on the front. So if you want to correct anything, maybe there's an error on the front end, you go back to the back end to correct it, not from the front end. So that is just that. So what we do now is that, let me refresh this place. You see now, this place, let's see what it will be there. You can see now we have everything have changed. So this is a static theme that follows the registration. This was a static theme that follows the registration. So that is just that. So we are done. I'm going to cut this video now. So this is the backend URL. You just copy or you click on it, but I love to copy. Just copy it, new tab, then paste it there, Ctrl V, enter. So it will ask you to put the password you used the other time when you are registering. So that is the password you are going to put now. After you put the password, you can, so username or email. So it's asking now. So just put the name you used the other time. That's why I ask you not to forget. So you put your password. Then if you put remember me, so next time if you want to log into your backend, it won't be asking you password, username again. So it will just go directly. So log in now. So this is the front end of your WordPress. This is the back end. This is the back end of your WordPress. This is the front end of your WordPress. So now we have successfully created a free domain, right? Successfully created a free domain account and free hosting account, free hosting and free domain, and also install our WordPress on our cPanel and also have access to the back end of our WordPress. So now this is the end of the video. So if you find this video very helpful, kindly like, share and comment for the next video. See you in my next video.